Måls on Eulenkassen, mit Nomen hey, Marel home, då wär vi doch kein Titom Brassen, dat lädt man als mit
Hi, welcome to another episode of Great Musical Artists of the Past. I'm your host Florian Stallmeyer, and today's topics are sea shanties. Sea shanties are the daily working songs of the sailors. The word shanty is derived from the word shant, which means singing or song. Great Britain became the leading sea nation in the 19th century. For that reason, many of the sea shanties are performed in English language. Famous sea shanties are, for instance, La Paloma, What Shall We Do with a Drunken Sailor, The Banks of Sacramento, O Shenandoah, and Rolling Home. Now, I'm going to play Rolling Home on the piano, just for you. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to check out my brand new book, Florian Stallmeyer's Quick Guide to the Oktoberfest in Munich, Germany. You can purchase my book on Amazon.com or directly from my website, which is florianstallmeyer.com, where it comes with an autograph and a handwritten card by me. To purchase my book, please see the links below. I'm your host Florian Stallmeyer. Please make sure to rate and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna see you next time. Auf Wiedersehen.
Vor von Hamburg, Måls on Eulenkassen, mit Nomen hey, Marel home, då wär vi doch kein Titom Brassen, dat lädt man als mit Stone. Rolling home, rolling home, rolling home across the sea. Rolling home to dear old Hamburg, rolling home, dear land to see. Die Obergrund nach Wein und Rosen, da wird noch lang kein Hand am Leck. Och so an und im no verglosen, denn würde ganze Plündkunst reck. Rolling home, rolling home, rolling home. große See. Rolling home, to dear old Hamburg. Rolling home, dear land to see. Dat wär so recht, den Eulen sie freten, dat gungem über Tanz und Ball. A Jan mot grob der Piep anstecken, den rögte Eul, hol die Graut nach Fall.